Capricorn Coffee searched far and wide amongst import solutions and found SimpleImport. They installed SimpleImport from the AppExchange and were greeted with a clean interface that guided them through every step of the process. Capricorn Coffee put SimpleImport to the test, letting one of their apprehensive users, John, try an import. The business is focusing on finding new franchise opportunities, so the Capricorn Coffee admins challenged John to insert and update franchise leads to a campaign from their latest Coffee Expo. All of the leads are based in the UK, so John adds United Kingdom as a constant value during the import process. No need to open the file anymore. Simple. Before John presses submit, it's time for one last review of the job. Even better, now he's completed his import configuration, John can save this as a mapping for future events. He double checks the configuration and he's good to go. With the import completed successfully, SimpleImport's 3-month file storage allows admins to track Capricorn Coffee's import history. Importing has never been simpler. Now that SimpleImport is in place, Capricorn Coffee has a scalable solution they can rely on whilst their business grows and changes. Users like John feel confident to import, whilst admins can track usage and spend their time on other important tasks. Importing is no longer a difficult business, it's business as usual. Whether it's users like John or franchisees on a digital experience, whether you're a flat white fan or a caramel latte lover, SimpleImport speeds up your imports, scaling as you grow and giving you time back to focus on what's important, that delicious first sip of coffee. SimpleImport is available on the Salesforce AppExchange. Try it for free today.